So I'm trying to put a deck on the 430 here, and the problem that I'm having is it's not picking up barely any at all. So here's the problem here is we have this piece connects to the deck and then onto like a rock shaft or a lift shaft, whatever you want to call it. And the problem is the shaft only picks this piece sits about here, and when I raise the deck, that arm is only moving it to about here, and then it's barely picking up anymore. So what I got to do to fix that is add some spacers in here so that when I raise the deck, it actually comes up more. So let's see what I can do with this. So I got here a 13/16 socket. What do I do with my hat? I'll find it later. You can see if that's enough. There we go. Oh, that's how that works. He just fell right off of there. But so you can see here, the way this goes together is you have your slidey thing here, and your nut goes on the threads here, and this piece is threaded, and you put that on the end here to hold it on. So now let's throw some spacers in here. See if that fixes our problem. A few nuts on here to try and space it out some. So let's see if it worked. Reassembled the thing. Man, that thing's being a pain. Change hands here. Alright, so this guy, you can thread him down pretty much as you want, so I want to make sure that that does not fall off, personally. So I should really just use the impact. Okay. So ideally, you don't really have to worry about tightening this dude, because if it's on here the right way, this part does not twist from the rest of it. I mean, the little locking collar here does, but the rest shouldn't. So as long as he's on here a few, you'll be fine. Alright, so you can see that before, this piece would go all the way up to here. But now, when the lift maxes out, it should be stopped right here. So let's go put it on. Alright, so now that we got the spacers installed on there, you can see what I'm talking about. When can this thing focus? When I raised the arm here up, you can see the little slidey thing moving around. Well, that would slide up all the way and not even pick the deck up. But now, hits the bolts and, oh man, I need spring assist. Picks it up a good bit. So now I'm gonna get the spring assist set up on there and we'll give it a try. So I received some helpful advice on the spring assist that I lost a bit of it. Best way to put it on is to have someone else do it. But anyways, let's see if the deck works. Okay, well the deck works great, but that's my fuel pump flinging gas like absolutely all over the thing. So, yeah, I guess I'll call this a success. But, oh my, I can't tell if that's raining or if that's just fuel being flung absolutely everywhere. Anyways, I'm gonna put this away before I get peed on by God. So, yeah, I'll call this a win for now. Next is gonna be the fuel pump, which is pissed all over the tractor. But, until then, count this as a W.